Guys, before we start, please make sure you stay until the end. We'll talk about common mistakes people make when checking fuses, relays that can cost you thousands of dollars in repairs. Stay with us, we'll explain what it is. Hey guys, welcome back to Electrical Car Repair Live. Super quick, very helpful video for any of you trying to find fuses relays for the trailer module, also known as trailer fuses, guys, on Volkswagen Tiguan 4th generation. Please do not waste, guys, any money on parts, tools, diagnostics until you watch that video. If you have problems with the trailer module or the trailer fuses, we'll explain. It could be quite simple fix. After that, guys, if you need to buy any replacement parts and tools, guys, we'll share the information in the description of the video below. Check it out and you can see where we guys get most of our tools and supplies from as well. Let's start on it now. Before we start, guys, every single car we get here at the garage, we try to make at least 200 to 300 free repair videos. We show you how to fix engines, transmissions, bodywork, fuses, relays, all that stuff. Now, guys, that generation Volkswagen Tiguan will have many hidden fuses. Fuse boxes, different fuses, mega fuses, relays that are not accessible. That's why, guys, we made one special video that's called Volkswagen Tiguan Fuse Box Location and Diagram video that can save you thousands of dollars in repairs. Check it out, it will be on our website. Now, guys, we will be making video about every single fuse, every single relay in that car. Let's say you're in the middle of nowhere, you need to find where your fuel pump fuse is located. All you have to do, come to the channel, watch for a minute or two, replace the fuse, you're back on the road. Our mission is to save you money, guys. That's why we made more than 19,000 free repair videos on our YouTube channels that can save you thousands of dollars in repairs. Oh, and by the way, guys, if you need to buy any replacement parts and tools, check out, we'll share the links in the description of the video below, guys, and you can see where we get most of our tools and supplies from as well. Let's start on it now. So guys, the trailer module, trailer fuses, where they're located, most people will think that they're under the hood where the main fuse box is located, and we're talking here facing the engine on the right side under that cover, but for a big surprise, it's not there, guys. It's actually in the fuse box that's hidden. We'll talk about that now, and that fuse box is inside the vehicle on the left side of the steering wheel, right here, guys. Okay, you're going to find there will be one panel here. Once you remove it, you have a hidden fuse box, some relays, and you will have, guys, quite a few hidden relays in the back as well. So that's why we made one special video that's called VW Tiguan Fuse Box Location and Diagram. Check it out, it's on our channel, video that can save you thousands of dollars in repairs. Oh, by the way, let's quickly explain why it's always a good idea to test fuses and relays. So guys, now let's talk about common mistakes people make. When people see a fuse, okay, let's say they pull a fuse and they try to check it out, okay, they look at that fuse, okay, and they assume, okay, it's good, it's bad, but sometimes you cannot clearly tell if a fuse is good or bad. And you think it's a good fuse, you put it back in, you start wasting money on parts, tools, diagnostics, module, and you go to repair shops for something that could have been quite easy fixed, such as a bad fuse. So always test your fuses, quite easy, guys. By the way, if you want to see, we have a special video on the channel how to test a fuse, but it's quite simple and often, okay, you can actually even test fuses without removing them to figure out, guys, okay, if these fuses are good or bad. For instance, mega fuses, there is no way that you can check if the fuse is good or bad. The only way is to test them, guys, to find out, okay, if these fuses are good or bad as well. Very important. Now, if you want to see how to test a fuse, detailed video how to test a relay, we have special videos about that, and we'll share the information in the description of the video below. And the fuses, guys, that we need to check, that will be quite a few fuses today. We specifically don't have the original trailer equipment, so we may not have them, but if you have the original trailer module and all that stuff, okay, we will be having these fuses, and the first fuse will be fuse number 40, guys. Okay, so we do have it, I guess, right there. Fuse number 40, 41, 42. These two fuses are very important fuses, guys, but that's not done. We need to check one more, which is fuse number 58. Okay, the fuse number will be listed next to the fuse, guys. Okay, that's 58 right here. The fuse number will be on top of it, and you need to check fuse number 14. You need to come in that mini blade fuses, that middle row. Fuse number 14, the number this time on the little fuses is under the fuse. It's that fuse right here, that 5-amp fuse. You don't have a relay specifically for that, guys. You have these fuses that are known as relay fuses. If you still have problems with it, I'll recommend to check fuses relays for the BCM body control module as well, because that can cause problems with the trailer fuses as well. The video will be on that channel if you need help with that. As you saw guys, okay, this Volkswagen Tiguan has all kind of different fuses, mega fuses, standard fuses, mini fuses inside the car. You have different relays, mega fuse packs, all that stuff. If you want to see where you can buy replacement parts, tools, fuses, relays, guys, we'll share the information in the description of the video below. Check it out. Our mission in the garage is to save you as much money as we can. All we need in return, guys, please subscribe to the channel, like the video. That way we can keep making these absolutely free videos for you. Hopefully the video will be helpful. If you have any questions, don't hesitate to let us know. We have video about every single fuse relay in that car. Thank you for watching. See you guys next time.